Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Alfonso Gonzalez's house here in Dacula, Georgia. Here's an overview of the roof. I am currently standing on the front slope. The reason we're out here today, we're going to be removing a damaged shingle and we're going to be replacing it with a new shingle. As you can see, a lot of widespread wind damage up on this roof. Very brittle shingles. Doesn't look like it's ventilated very well. Just a couple box vents on this huge roof. But we'll be removing a damaged shingle. This is the shingle we'll be removing today. As you can tell, the tab ends right there, which makes it these 3 tabs. As you can see, this one is damaged by wind. Here's a shingle condition before we start. Just general overall condition of the roof. Obviously you can see lots of wind damage, blown off shingles, torn shingles, pretty much on all slopes. But I'm gonna let you guys follow along during this repair process. I also brought my handy dandy roof snake that you guys want us to use to repair the shingles. Obviously you can't pull the nails out with a roof snake. It just doesn't work that way. You can't lift and pry. Set it this way. Obviously it's supposed to go under that way. You can already hear the granules coming off these shingles, guys, running down the roof. Yeah, I'll get back here. Alrighty, guys. Shingle should just slide out now, and it does. Let's get the new shingle in. Pretty close. Color, I guess. I reckon I'm colorblind, so who knows? Huh. Yeah, pretty close. Again, guys, these roof snakes cause real problems with getting these nails in. It's supposed to just sit here flat. So As you can see, it's not really what happens. But luckily we got a bunch more nails. So we will go at this until we get this. Notice it's especially harder with the roof snake on the high-pitched roofs. Okay. Obviously these are going in a little easier, just filling in the nail holes that were removed. This one's all the way up here. Alrighty guys, new shingle in place. Calves are on fire, steep roof. Alrighty guys, here is the new shingle in its place. Couple things, the roof snake, when it lays flat, obviously this nail is right there. It actually causes impacts to these shingles across every single one. Now, as well as that, you also have a bunch of, like I said, I could hear the granules coming off these shingles. You have a bunch of loose granules at the top of these shingles from where they were damaged from this repair, pretty much on both layers of shingles. They have some loose granules. Now, if I rub my hands across this, just like any rain or wind would come and knock these off. For video purposes, you can see these damages a lot better. As you can tell, on an unaffected shingle, you can do the same motion. Nothing comes off. So I'll go ahead and take some chalked up photos for you guys to send in. We appreciate your consideration.